I am from the Bugis tribe, and I use the Bugis language in my daily communication with family and friends. The Bugis language is an important part of my identity as a Bugis person, and I feel that using this language helped me to maintain a connection with my culture and tradition. Learning English in elementary school, and my motivation was to improve my communication skill and broaden my knowledge. I believe that learning English will help me to connect with people from different cultures and backgrounds, and to access a wider range of information in academic settings, such as when working on assignments or reading scientific articles. I also use some English on social media, like when interaction with friends or reading posts from others. Additionally, I use English communication with friends who also speak English, but only occasionally and with a few words. I feel very comfortable communicating in English, but sometimes I still struggle to express myself well. Occasionally, I have trouble finding the right word to convey my thought, or I feel uncertain about how to use grammar correctly. However, I continue to work on improving my English language skill and becoming more confident in my communication. Yes, I have noticed I change in the way I express myself when speaking in English. For example, I prefer to use more formal words in English, such as using more standard vocabulary and avoiding the use of slang of overly informal words. I have also become more aware of how to use grammar correctly and how to convey my thought more clearly. Yes, I feel like a different person when speaking in English. I feel that I have a different personality, more formal and more professional when speaking in English. I also feel that I have a different way of thinking, more logical and more analytical when speaking in English. However, I also feel that I still have the same identity and that I'm just using a different language to express myself. I am trying to understand the context and culture associated with English so I can navigate situation better. I'm learning about the custom, values, and normal that apply in English-speaking societies. I'm also trying to understand the nuance of language and expression used in different situations, so I can communicate effectively and the English class has helped me improve my communication skill and broaden my knowledge as Western culture. I'm trying to understand and appreciate the values of different cultures, and I'm also trying to compare and contrast those values with my own cultural values. I believe that understanding and appreciating cultural differences can help me become more tolerant and open to new ideas. I also believe that comparing and contrasting cultural values can help me understand strengths and weaknesses of each culture. I feel that my educational institution has made an effort to appreciate and recognize my cultural and linguistic background. They have provided programs and resources that support cultural and linguistic diversity, making me feel portable and supported in the learning process. I believe that this is essential in creating an inclusive and supportive learning and environment for men. My interaction with native English speakers have helped me improve my communication skills and broaden my knowledge of Western culture. In the English class have helped me improve my communication skill and broaden my knowledge of Western culture or language English. I don't think that gender affect my experience in learning and using English, but I have noticed difference in how male and female students approach learning. I can express my authentic self when communicating in English, but sometimes I still struggle to express myself well. I think this is due to this difference between my native language and culture and English. However, I'm constantly trying to improve my communication skill and express myself better. I believe that with practice and experience, I can become more confident experiencing myself. I have developed strategies to maintain aspect of my cultural identity while becoming proficient in English. For example, I still use the Bugis language in my daily communication with family and friends. I also try to mention Bugis cultural tradition and costume in my daily life. I believe that maintaining my cultural identity can help me become more confident and have a sense of pride in myself. I'm trying to balance my desire to become proficient in English with maintaining my connection to my native language and cultural identity. I use the Bugis language in my daily communication with family and friends, and also learn about Western culture or English language through various sources such as books, movies, and the internet. I believe that by balancing those two aspects, I can become more confident and have better communication skill in various contexts. Identity by using casual and informal language and sharing my experience and opinions on topic that interest me. I believe that by being myself and not being afraid to share my thoughts, I can build deeper connection with others and improve my communication skill. I also feel that by sharing my experience and opinion, I can get valuable feedback and broaden my perspective. Yes, I end in code switching when communicating with friends who also speak the same language I do. This to facilitate communication and make conversation more relaxed. I believe that Code switching can help express myself better and build deeper connection with my friend. I also feel that code switching can make conversation more interesting and my use of English online is more casual and informal, while my use of English in academic or face-to-face setting is more formal. I believe that by adjusting my language use the context and situation, I can communicate more effectively and build better connection with others. I also feel that by using the right language, I can show seriousness and professionalism in situations that technology has enabled me to access a wider range of English language resources and facilitate communication with native English speakers. I can use language learning apps, watch videos, and listen to podcasts to improve my English has helped me improve my communication skill and broaden my knowledge of Western culture and learning more significant English aspect in my ability to communicate in English. Even though I'm not yet fluent in speaking, I believe that being able to communicate in English can help me improve my language skill and expand my opportunities in various fields. I also feel that with continued practice and improvement, I can become more confident in communicating and accepting my goals. Discussing identity issue in class is very important because it can help students in understand and develop their identities in multilingual speakers. By discussing identity issue, students can understand how language and culture can shape their identities and how they can use language to express themselves. I believe that by understanding and developing their identities can become more confident and effective communicator in various contexts.